Okay, after watching the video, I'm gonna show you guys of one of our main products, which is sandwich panel. Sandwich panel, some of you may know this product. This product is for the exterior wall or exterior roof for your project. If you have a warehouses, a factory, and you have the steel structure ready, and this kind of product can use as the exterior wall and the roof. It has the insulation function. It is fireproof and waterproof. It is the best insulation material you can find in the market, and it is also very environmentally friendly. It is also very energy saving because it can be contain the temperature inside of the house and keep out the heat or cold air from the outside. So let's have a look at the samples in my hand. As you can see, this is a small piece of sandwich wall panel. This wall panel is made out of 3 layers. You can see the core material in the middle, which is polyurethane, PU for short. And on the both sides, we have the steel layers. And the steel layers, we have the thickness of 0.4 to 0.7 millimeter. And the core materials, we also have many options of thickness you can choose from. We have 50 millimeter, 75, 100, 120, and 150, and we can do 200 at the max. So, as you may notice, the joint part is very special. You can see the joint part is we call hidden screw joint part. When the wall is fixed on the steel structure, the screw will be fixed in this point, and another panel will be covered from the top, and the screw cannot be seen from the surface, which makes your project more good looking and more smooth on the surface. Okay, except this PU core, we also got rock wool and glass wool, TPS, EPS, XPS as the core material. They are all insulation materials and all are fireproof and waterproof. But the price is different. It will depend on your budget, and we will introduce the right materials for your project. Okay, now let's have some look at some pictures or details of the panel. Okay, as you can see right in here, we have this roof panel in red color. You may notice the same joint part in the samples I have in my hand. The surface is, we call it microwave or small waves. We've got many roll colors you can choose from, and many patterns of the surface you can choose from. Okay, as you can see, this is the detail of the roof panel. And this is a project in our factory. It is called the corner panel. Okay, this picture shows the details of the joint part. And this is microwaves with rib in the surface. We also have smooth surface, ribbed surface, and microwave or small waves. This is a picture of the stock in our production line.